Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore your wounded inner figures and how they try to cage you, and to understand that they're not here to sabotage you. They're really here to be witnessed and loved. They're running old scripts and old stories, survival strategies to try to keep you small, safe, and invisible. And what you can do to break out of their cage is love them.
Hey there, everyone. I'm Sheila Belanger, Strategic Transformation Coach. I'm here with a transformation tip: how to stop being caged by your wounded inner figures. I just finished recording the latest version of my online course, Transformation Journey Roadmap. I had the delightful experience of 10 people with me as I recorded that live, and we did this practice, this short practice, and it was stunning what happened to people. So I'm going to tell it to you right now, and it's something you can do in a couple of minutes, because we all know what it's like when some of those inner wounded figures, whether it's your inner critic or your escapist or your freaked out wounded childish one, we all have them, and they just get us and they throw us in the cage and throw the key away, and you're like, ah! So here's a really powerful tip for how to get out of that cage, and it involves tremendous self-compassion. Because all these inner wounded figures, even though they drive you nuts and you are ready to just, you have to remember they belong to you. They're part of you. They're those inner protectors who think it's their job to keep you small and safe and caged so that you don't mess up and you don't get exiled. Guess what? That strategy was necessary from when you were younger, but for most of us, the shelf life is way gone. And the frustration of being caged far, far outweighs the risk of being challenged, because we need to grow. So here's the tip. I'm going to walk you through it. It's a very simple process. So whatever you're doing, be safe as you're watching this video, because I'm going to invite you to close your eyes. If you don't want to do that and you just want to carry on, you're listening to it, you're double tasking, that's fine too, but you'll get more out of this tip if you actually slow down, pause, and follow through with this gentle, easy transformational tip. Okay, it's a practice you can do anytime. So the first thing you can do, loosen up your body, stand, sit, whatever, just kind of clear your psycho-spiritual palette, all right? And you know what inner wounded figure has got you, has thrown you in the cage. You know who it is, because they're constantly repeating their bad advice in your mind, and you just know who it is, okay? So what you want to do is slow down and get in your body. I invite you to stop whatever you're doing. You can even close your eyes. You can be listening to the video. Take 3 deep breaths. Really deeply breathe in, and then exhale. Breathe in, exhale. Breathe in, exhale. Okay, just feel yourself here, present, not double tasking. And recognize that whatever wounded inner figure has tried to throw you in the cage, they actually don't know what they're doing. And they're repeating a very bad process they had from when you were younger that no longer works. So what you want to do now that you've breathed is close your eyes, and in whatever way is right for you, gently bring an image or a sense of that wounded inner figure to your heart, very gently. If you can't because it freaks you out, then just imagine them in front of you a little bit. Just self-compassion, okay? With your eyes closed, see an image of them. It might be a particular image of a human, or it might be a color, or just a sense of energy. And if they're trying to come at you, say, nope, you stay right there, okay? Eyes closed, being with that image, and say to this inner wounded figure, I see you. I know what you're trying to do. I love you. Okay, that'll bust them right away. Try it again. Imagine an image or a presence of the wounded inner figure here in your heart. I see you. I know what you're up to. I love you. And just let that sink in. Because these inner wounded figures are suffering. And if you try to fight them, it just gets worse. And the cage gets tighter and tighter. You have to do a compassionate Aikido move and recognize they belong to you. They're trying their best. They think that's what they're trying to do. Keep you small, safe, and invisible. And you're like, no, I see you. I know what you're up to. And I love you. That'll get you the keys to get out of the cage sooner than you can imagine. Okay, my friends, that's the transformational tip. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to go down and look at information. I've got and freebies and all kinds of stuff you can sign up for and keep getting supported from me. So thanks. And remember, get out of the cage from your freaked out inner wounded figures. Get yourself free. A Aikido move of self-tracking and self-compassion.
You've just taken a courageous step to meet with love the parts of you that are carrying the weight of the past. Honor yourself for doing this simple process, and you can repeat it as many times as needed. This prepares you for the next threshold video, Breaking the Spells, where we'll unravel some of the old beliefs that no longer fit who you're becoming. See you in the next video.